Here we come to the elevator at BigShots in Bryan, Texas. It's a Schindler 3300 in the newer generation. I'm gonna get in quick because there's music playing in the lobby. Whoa, that chime is so loud. 2 and 2R. That has got to be the loudest chime that I've ever heard on an elevator. That opens into a kitchen, and we're gonna go back down to 1 and 1R, and I try to talk over the music as much as I could because I don't want to get a copyright. Listen to those kids screaming. I'm gonna let you listen to that chime again. That is the loudest chime I've ever heard. All right, this time we're gonna we're gonna stick with the front floors this time. Listen how loud that chime is. That is the loudest floor passing chime I've ever heard on an elevator. Anyways, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna ring the bell, and I'll let you listen how loud it is. Listen to this. Oh, it's not as the down chime is not as loud than is the up chime. I already did my cat view. But yeah, that up chime kind of almost popped my eardrums out. All right, I'll let you listen to the up chime. Listen to this before the music pops on. Listen. Wow, that is the loudest chime I've ever heard. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.